So friends, welcome to the next question. The next question says the sum of two numbers is 1000. So this is okay, the sum of two numbers is 1000. So we know x plus y is equal to 1000 and the difference between them is 256000. That means x square minus y square is equal to 256000. So यहाँ पर हम एक कॉन्सेप्ट यूज करेंगे, दैट इज x प्लस वाई x माइनस वाई. ये एक फॉर्मूला है that implies x square minus y square. We'll use this formula and we'll get the answer very quickly. So जैसे कि हमें पता है this is 256000 is equal to x plus y, that is 1000 into x minus y. So x minus y is equal to 256 क्योंकि ये 1000 और ये 000 कट गया. So x minus y is equal to 256. So अब हमको पता है x plus y is equal to 1000, x minus y is equal to 256. And to get the best way to get the answer is आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसको by 2 कर दो, इसको by 2 कर दो. इसको by 2 करने पर आपका आता है 500, इसको by 2 करने पर आपका आता है 128. So 500 minus 128, 500 plus 128. So ये आपका एक आंसर आ जाता है 372. 500 plus 128 is 628. So your two answers are 372 and 628.